Sprinkles move through our area already. Right now, seeing a sprinkle over downtown Knoxville, and we do expect to see most of this rain kind of clearing on out just before we head into our Saturday night, before more rain is present in our area. Temperature-wise, we've stayed on the warm end all day, still sitting on the warm end. We're in the low 70s, upper 60s for some, and this is about 10 degrees above average for where we should be for this time of year. We're sitting at 71 here in Knoxville, 72 in Maynardville, 73 in Loudon, 66 in Kingston, 70 in Gatlinburg, and 68 in Morristown. Moving on into the night, temperatures should drop down closer towards the low 60s, upper 50s. We'll be seeing 60 here in Knoxville, 59 in La Follette, Maynardville, 58 in Dandridge, and 61 in Tellico Plains. But all eyes are on tomorrow, specifically tomorrow night. So what's happening? Well, we are going to be weather aware as strong to severe storms are expected Sunday overnight into Monday. The threats right now include damaging winds and tornadoes, but kind of breaking down these threats one by one. Which one's the highest? Which one's the least highest? Well, our bigger chance at seeing damaging winds is on the medium end. The rest of those threats on the lower end. Now, just because we have a low threat for flooding, large hail, and tornadoes does not mean that it is zero. But there is some good news there that they are on the low end, but we're going to have to watch everything and keep an eye on everything, especially with those overnight hours when a lot of us are asleep. Now look at our 6 predictor. As we head further into our Saturday, we do expect to see some spotty showers arriving late Saturday tonight going into tomorrow morning. We will see more rain kind of present by midday on Sunday, but then most of this should clear out by the early evening. Now it's not until about 5 a.m. on Monday that we start to see this line of storms moving into our area. This line is again going to have the possibility of damaging winds, tornadoes, hail, and flooding. And this line is going to move through rather quick because by the time we reach around 9 in the morning on Monday, most of this is heading east closer towards the Carolinas. Now we still will have some heavy rain present, so driving at 9 a.m. To work and school might be a bit of a task. Just make sure you're paying attention to the roadways, and again, have your weather notifications turned on because the brunt of the storm is heading on in overnight tomorrow going into Monday. And most of this should clear out by the time we reach Monday evening, so if you have any outdoor plans, go ahead. You'll be able to do those, especially considering we'll be dry. Now, we do expect to see our rain chances bumping up once again as we head towards the middle of the week. Yes, we are briefly dry on Tuesday, but going on into Wednesday through next Saturday, another chance for some strong to severe storms will be present. But the rain is a good thing because our drought monitor is still showing some pretty moderate drought throughout the Southern Valley, so we do need rain here in the area desperately. But again, right now our focus is still on tomorrow, especially overnight, because those storms will be moving through and they still will be present by the time a lot of us are getting up to head to work and school on Monday. Briefly drier on Tuesday, and then as we head towards Wednesday, a slight chance is possible. Storms are possible once again Thursday and even on Friday, and then we're keeping a very close eye on Saturday. We'll continue to keep you updated online, on air, and on social media. We'll be right back.